Good morning. It's 9:55 in the morning right now, and I am driving over to Matt's house because we're gonna go to a beer festival today. So I thought I would bring you guys along. Not only that, but I also have a big announcement that I haven't talked to you guys about it actually. But I had the intentions of filming this a week ago when this happened, but I never got around to it because one thing or another, I just didn't even film it or whatever. But I have a new car, you guys. That is like the big announcement. I have a new car and I love it. And ooh, this is like the worst lighting right now. Sorry, y'all. And of course I forgot my camera, and I was going to film with my camera today, but I forgot my camera too. I was running out. I was running late, you guys. I'm always running late, and Matt is like the king of punctuality, so I'm sorry, babe. I am so happy with my new car because I finally have something that is reliable. And it's a new car, you know, it's always exciting having a new car. So that is my big announcement. Was going to film the process of getting my car, but it all happened so quickly that I just never got around to it. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along. We're going to a beer festival in Escondido, and I'm excited. It's gonna be delicious. And so yeah, I'm driving over to Matt's right now. I was supposed to meet him at 10 and it's 10 and I'm not even close to his house, so that is great. But anyways, I'll see you guys in a few. So crowded in here. We have our first beer. Cheers. What was it? The Great Notion?
Great Notion Brewing out of Portland, Oregon.
Yeah, which we're going to.
We are.
In July.
4th of July week.
Yes. I'll do a mint chocolate.
So I lost Abby. What the fuck was the beer? It was that Not Gift the Mash Eye, the super rare one.
Oh, is it Deliverance?
Yeah, they were selling it here, and we were fucking meet you and Tom Rocha. You guys, we had an epic fail.
We're gonna go hiking Sunday morning, and we went to a place and they were charging, so we're like, ew, bye. And then we tried to find another place, and I don't know, it just looked like a ranch, like some random
privately owned.
Yeah, I think it was like private property, so we're like, oh my god, we need to go. And now I told Matt, just YOLO, and let's just come to Denny's.
Breakfast.
So we're
because we were poor and we didn't have $3 in cash to park. Which is sad, because I would have brought $3 had I known, like,
I had
$3
if I had my bag, but I didn't bring my bag because we're gonna go hiking. So let's go to Denny's.
Hello, welcome to my channel, Life with Matt. Today we're going to talk about all the colors of Skittles you can get.
Do they all taste the same?
They do, although people don't admit that, they all taste the same. That's Starburst or different flavors. Yeah, huh? Yeah.
Unsubscribe.
Well, you're already on my Patreon, so unsubscribing does nothing. You're still going to be money. The hood.
In the hood.
The hood.
Matt, I haven't showed the viewers my new car.
Where I live?
No, my new car.
Oh, your new car.
Yeah. Should we show them?
Do it.
Yeah.